I hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel, and if you're not subscribed, now's your time to do so. Today's video is something really exciting, and me and my amazing friend Kelsey, or Lola here on YouTube, have decided to do the My YouTube Bestie Does My Lush haul. Now, I don't actually think this video exists. I could be wrong, but I think this could be a new thing. So if you guys film this as well, please make sure you tag us, let us know, because I'd love to see that. But I'm so excited for this. I've had this package in my room for about a week now, and it's just been sat there. I've tried not to smell it, go near it. I don't want any spoilers, and it is relatively heavy, so I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I will obviously be linking Lola's video down below so you guys can see what I picked out for her, but without further ado, let's go. Where are my scissors? So obviously I'm going to take the receipt out of the box so I can't see what's on there, and again I've forgotten to bring a bin bag, but we're going to go through it, and I'm just going to pop all of these onto my bed. So the first thing in the box that I can see is the Magic Crystals Shower Scrub. Now, I bought this years ago when it first came out. I bought a tub of this and I haven't actually had it since. I'm so excited to finally have another one because I really enjoyed this, and from what I can remember, it smells like mint. Yeah. Oh, that smells amazing. It smells, oh, that's on my nose. That is on my nose. Is it gone? Probably not. Oh, that smells so good. It smells very similar to the peppermint foot lotion. Whether that still exists or not, I don't know, but it has a very similar scent. So not only do I love the colour, but I love the fine sea salt scrubs. I feel like they work best for my skin, and ingredients wise, this has sea salt, mint infusion, sage, rosemary, menthol crystals, spearmint oil and aniseed oil. So it is really fresh and crisp, if that makes sense in terms of scent, but I love this, and it is self-preserving. Is it vegan? Yes. So that's the first thing. Love it. Thank you so much. Amazing. So the next item in my box is some of the Wasabi shampoo. Now, I did have a very small inkling that she would pick one of these up for me, only because we've been speaking about it on Instagram for a very long time and that I've never tried it, but I love new shampoo bar, and she told me that I would probably really enjoy this. But apparently this is a stimulating wasabi, horseradish and caffeine shampoo that will turn your hair follicles on and thicken the hair. So this sounds brilliant because I, as you guys know, am on a massive hair growth journey. Obviously this isn't my hair. My hair stops here, so it's not very long, but I am on a hair growth journey and I've never tried this before, so I'm so excited to have it. And ingredients wise, it has got lemon oil, orange oil, sea salt, obviously the wasabi and the horseradish, as well as agave syrup and olive oil. Let's smell it. It's definitely got that kind of like Wagamama sushi restaurant smell, but there's definitely like that sort of sweet, fruity, orangey lemon undertone, which is really nice and definitely kind of dulls down that spicy scent. But I really like the smell of this. I'm so excited to try it. So yeah, make sure you follow me over on my Instagram, because as soon as I try this, I will let you guys know my thoughts on it. But yeah, I'm so excited to try that. So that is great. Love that. Okay, next up. So the next item is some Sleepy shower gel. Now, I actually recently finished my only bottle of this, so I am so thankful to have this again, because you guys know I love the scent family. Twilight and Sleepy to me is so nostalgic and I love it. So I'm so happy to have one of these. But if you don't know what this is, essentially it's a lavender and vanilla fragrance. It's really floral but sweet. It's not gardeny because I really hate that kind of smell, but this just smells really good, and I'm so happy to have one of these. Ingredients wise, we have oat milk, lavender infusion, tonka absolute, ylang ylang oil. So it's really sweet vanilla lavender. It's so good. Honestly, I love this. So thank you so much. I'm obsessed, and I feel like I can't go on about this item for too long, but it's just amazing. So the next item we have is a bath bomb. Now, I haven't had this bath bomb probably for about 2 years, and I know that Kelsey loves this because she mentioned it, I think, in one of her, was it the top 10 Lush favourites video? I think she mentioned it, if I can remember correct. But I haven't had this for absolutely ages, and I had this when I used to live with Zoe in the flat, so let me know if you've been here since then. But that is the Goddess Bath Bomb. Now, I almost forgot what this smelled like, but it has a really similar, like, it smells like something I've smelled before. I just blew glitter. It's in my mouth, on my face. It definitely smells like something familiar, like it's got a really like nostalgic smell. It smells like a really expensive perfume, like if you were to go into like Jo Malone or something. That's the kind of vibe I get from this. Very expensive scent, if a scent can be expensive. Do you guys know what I mean? It smells expensive. But I love this one. Like the colours of this is stunning. Like look at that, how beautiful. It's just, oh. This is just one of those bath bombs I think is just so pretty and well made, and I love it. So yeah, oh, so glad to have that. Yummy, amazing. And the next item I can see in here is this bubble bar. This is the Lucky Cat bubble bar. Now, I know for a fact my fingers are going to be stained pink after this, but it's got a very beautiful smell. It's very floral. It kind of smells a little bit like Sakura, but a bit stronger. Like a mix of Sakura and like Tisty Tosty, that kind of smell. Oh no, did I just get that on my face? That smells amazing, and I've actually never had this one before, so I'm so excited to try it. And now my fingers are stained pink, which is brilliant, but I'm so excited to try that because like I said, I've never used that one before. I've kind of seen it in the shops or online, and I've never gone to pick it up or thought to buy it, but I'm so glad I have that now because I think that smells amazing. So I'm so excited to try it. And the colour of that is like orange on the inside and it's pink on the outside. So I think the water will be very similar to what the Flamingo used to do. Oh, that's beautiful. I love that. That's so nice. And last but by no means least is a face mask. Now, Kelsey, you actually read my mind because I literally told you the other day that I finished this. I think, did I tell you or did you just know? I literally finished my only pot of this the other day, and I was messaging my friend Ben and I was like, Ben, I really need to order another mask of Magnaminty because I have ran out. But never mind, because Kelsey has pulled through and got me a mask of Magnaminty face mask. Girl, I'm so excited. I love this so much. You know it. Everyone knows it. This is probably one of my favourites alongside Beauty Sleep and Cup of Coffee. I really love the self-preserving masks more than the fresh ones. I say that all the time. It's just because I don't do enough face masks to warrant using it in 3 weeks and paying like £10. Do you know what I mean? But this, this smells amazing. Oh, I love this so much. If you guys don't know, I will give you a brief overview on Mask of Magnaminty and my thoughts on it. So essentially this is a mint scrub face mask. So it's very, very good for spot prone skin, acne, oily skin and that kind of vibe. It's very, very good at targeting troublesome areas, and I just love this. I put this on all over my face and it's just so relaxing, makes my skin so clear and clean and fresh, and I love it so much. I feel like I can't go on about this too much, but this is amazing. And in terms of ingredients, you've got ground aduki beans, which just gives it the scrub. You've obviously got the peppermint oil in there. You also have evening primrose seeds and vanilla absolute. So it is a very minty scent, but it's not kind of that horrible fresh mint, because I hate fresh mint, but oh, it just smells amazing. So Kelsey, thank you so much, because I literally needed one of these and you read my mind. So that is everything that my amazing friend Kelsey got me from Lush. Kelsey, if you're watching, thank you so much. You hit the nail on the head with all the things that I really love. I've got Sleepy shower gel, I love a body scrub, I've got the new shampoo that I wanted to try, a face mask that I'm obsessed with, and 2 bath products that I'm really excited to use. And I really, really hope that you liked everything I got you. If you guys haven't watched it, make sure you check out her video. I will leave a link down below to see what I got her. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was something different. I really want to do more of these kinds of videos, and I have got some planned, so I'm so excited for that. But yes, I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys!